Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. Not only are they nutritious, they're convenient, they're delicious, and they're also naturally gluten-free, which is useful for a lot of people.
Eating oatmeal every day will give you amazing and surprising results. Did you know that oatmeal is linked to reducing risk of cancer? Watch until the end to find out. This humble breakfast staple has been a favorite for centuries, and for good reason. Oatmeal is packed with essential nutrients and has numerous health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. The benefits of oatmeal are well documented, but what are some of the lesser known benefits of eating oatmeal every single day? Welcome to Healthee, and in this video we will explore the top 9 things that will happen to your body if you make oatmeal a part of your daily diet. So sit back, grab a bowl, and let's discover the amazing benefits of this simple yet powerful food. Number 9. Improved digestion. Oatmeal is an excellent source of soluble fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Soluble fiber absorbs waters and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, which helps to slow down the passage of food through the intestines. This can help to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and reduce the risk of developing hemorrhoids. In addition to its digestive benefits, soluble fiber can also help to reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. This is because the fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and carries it out on the body, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. Eating oatmeal every day can therefore help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease and other cardiovascular conditions. Number 8. Increased energy. One of the benefits of eating oatmeal every day is that it can also help you increase your energy levels. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate, which means that it is broken down slowly by the body, providing a steady source of energy over a long period of time. Unlike simple carbohydrates such as sugar and refined flour, which are broken down quickly and can cause a spike in blood sugar levels, oatmeal helps to regulate blood sugar and provide sustained energy. In addition to being a complex carbohydrate, oatmeal is also rich in B vitamins, which are essential for energy metabolism. B vitamins help to convert food into energy the body can use, and a deficiency in these vitamins can lead to fatigue and lethargy. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, consuming oatmeal can help to improve cognitive performance and increase feelings of fullness and satiety, leading to increased energy levels throughout the day. Oatmeal is particularly rich in vitamin B1, which is involved in the conversion of carbohydrates into energy, and vitamin B6, which is important for brain function and mood regulation. Oatmeal is a good source of iron, which is essential for oxygen transport in the body. Iron helps to carry oxygen into the cells and tissues, providing energy for physical activities and mental function. The deficiency in iron can lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Regular consumption of oatmeal can help to increase iron levels in the body and support overall energy health and levels. Number 7. Weight management. Eating oatmeal every day can also help to manage weight and reduce the risk of obesity. This is because oatmeal is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help to reduce appetite and prevent overeating. The soluble fiber in oatmeal also helps to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent insulin spikes. In addition to its weight management benefits, eating oatmeal every day can also help to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is because the fiber in an oatmeal can help to improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to use insulin to regulate sugar levels. Number 6. Reduced inflammation. Another benefit of eating oatmeal every day is that it can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can be harmful as it's been linked to a range of diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Oatmeal contains several compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective food for reducing inflammation in the body. One of the key anti-inflammatory compounds found in oatmeal is beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve immune function. Beta-glucan works by stimulating the immune system and increasing the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines, which help to reduce inflammation in the body. Oatmeal also contains polyphenols, which are also compounds with antioxidant properties. Antioxidant properties help to protect the body from oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and cellular damage. Studies have shown that consuming foods high in polyphenols like oatmeal can help to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Furthermore, oatmeal contains avenanthramides, a unique group of antioxidants that are found almost exclusively in oats. Avenanthramides have also been shown to reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting the production of inflammatory cytokines and reducing the activation of immune cells. Number 5. Improved heart health. Eating oatmeal every day can help to improve heart health in several ways. First, oatmeal is high in fiber, which can help to reduce cholesterol levels in the blood. High levels of cholesterol can lead to buildup of plaque in the arteries, which can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Second, oatmeal contains antioxidants such as polyphenols, which can help to protect the heart from damage caused by free radicals. Third, oatmeal is low in saturated fat and high in unsaturated fats, which can help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who have consumed oatmeal regularly had lower levels of total and LDL cholesterol than those who did not consume oatmeal. This is likely due to the high fiber content of oatmeal, which helps to reduce cholesterol levels and improve overall health. Number 4. Reduced risk of cancer. Another benefit of eating oatmeal every day is that it may help to reduce the risk of cancer. Cancer is a complex disease that can be caused by a range of factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and environmental factors. A 2003 study by the National Cancer Institute found that individuals who consumed higher amounts of oatmeal, which contained dietary fiber, had a lower risk of developing several types of cancer, including colorectal, breast, and pancreatic cancer. Fiber is an important nutrient that is essential for digestive health and has been shown to have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that people who consume high amounts of fiber in their diet have a lower risk of colon, breast, and other types of cancer. These compounds have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, particularly in relation to breast cancer. Furthermore, oatmeal contains antioxidants, which are compounds that help to protect the body from oxidative stress and cellular damage. Oxidative stress can lead to development of cancer by damaging DNA and other cellular structures. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cellular damage and cancer development. Number 3. Improved immune system function. Oatmeal contains several nutrients that are important for immune system function, including zinc, selenium, and beta-glucan. Zinc and selenium are minerals that are essential for immune cell function and antioxidant protection, while beta-glucan is a type of soluble fiber that can help to enhance immune system activity. Regular consumption of oatmeal can therefore help to support immune system function and reduce the risk of infections and illness. Number 2. Better skin health. Oatmeal can also have beneficial effects on skin health. Oatmeal contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help to reduce skin irritation and damage caused by free radicals. In addition, oatmeal also contains saponins, which are natural cleansers that help to remove dirt and oil from the skin. Oatmeal can therefore help to improve your skin health by reducing inflammation, protecting against oxidative stress, and promoting a clean and healthy complexion. Number 1. Improved brain function. Oatmeal is a good source of several nutrients that are important for brain function, including vitamin B, as well as iron and vitamin E. B vitamins are important for cognitive function and mood regulation, while iron is essential for oxygen transport and energy production to the brain. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect the brain from oxidative stress and improve cognitive performance. Regular consumption of oatmeal can therefore help to support brain function and improve mental clarity, focus, and memory. In a 2011 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience, researchers found that people who consumed oatmeal had significant improvements in their cognitive function. Eating oatmeal every day can have numerous health benefits. Oatmeal is a versatile and delicious food that can be enjoyed in many different forms, making it an easy and convenient way to support your health and well-being. Are you ready to start reaping the many health benefits of eating oatmeal every day? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to supercharge your health even more, check out the latest video release of our nutrition playlist, both right here on the screen. We'll see you there.